The new normal is new for all of us. In this situation, it's really important to stay positive and healthy. This too shall pass. Namaste to all, welcome to Lively Homestyle. Today I'm sharing few habits that I'm following for a healthy life. So let's begin the video with a positive vibe. First one is yoga and meditation. It's a great way to start your day. It keeps our mind and body calm and energetic. Practicing 45 minutes to 1 hour yoga and meditation is really helpful. It has immense benefits like it improves immunity, muscles become stronger, body will be flexible, helps to reduce obesity, and the list goes on. There is a saying from Maharshi Patanjali, Yoga Chitta Vikriti Nirodha. Yoga helps to overcome afflictions of mind. So I start my day with yoga. Second one is reading books. There was a time when I used to read a lot of books, and slowly this habit just vanished. But it was always in my mind that I should start reading again, and now I have started it. Reading really helps us to stay calm and helps our mind grow. Every book we read, we learn new things. Third one is be with nature. Being in nature reduces stress, anxiety, and gives a pleasant feeling to oneself. During mornings or evenings, just take a walk in your garden or just sit and watch. Your mind will clear all unwanted thoughts and reboot. Even encourage kids to spend time outdoors in the nature. In this concrete world, it's difficult to get connected with nature in day-to-day life for some obvious reasons. But the nature can be your small balcony garden as well. Just sit and watch and relish the moment. Fourth one is no mobile phone time. Day by day, we are getting so much addicted to phone that we need it or use it all the time. Because of this, we are missing so many good moments in life. Mobile phones have both useful and harmful effects on our life. So for a fixed time period, it's better to keep the phone away from us. That's what I am following. During that time, you can do some of your favorite things, spend quality time with family, or just relax. Fifth one is healthy eating. You are what you eat. Healthy diet helps in maintaining and improving overall health. For me, healthy food means home cooked and unprocessed foods. And I feel healthy eating is all about being creative and enjoying your food. Try to incorporate more veggies in your diet in any form. This need not be boring. You can always explore new ways to make your food more interesting. This way we can keep ourselves motivated towards a healthy diet. Sixth one is plan your day. Maybe you don't have big tasks to accomplish, but make notes of to-do list for the day. Planning is the key to effective time management. I'm still in the process of planning and executing things, and I'm enjoying it. After all, life is a continuous learning process. End of the day, when you complete all the tasks from the list, you get the satisfaction of a productive day. Hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe for more such videos in the future.